Hello and welcome to our tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful feature of Software Ideas Modeler, adding links to other elements within documentation using drag and drop. This helps you to keep your documentation dynamic and interconnected. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already got a class diagram with 4 elements: employee, contact, task, and role. Let's say we're writing documentation for the employee class, and we want to reference related classes and enumerations. How do we do this efficiently? Let's find out. Imagine our initial documentation reads, an employee in our project management system has a specific role, assigned contacts like an email address, and a series of assigned tasks. Now let's make this more dynamic. First, we select the employee class in our diagram. Next, we open the documentation sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Now, watch closely. First, we will drag the role enumeration from the diagram editor while holding the right mouse button pressed, and then drop it into the appropriate place in our documentation text. Next, we'll do the same with the contact class, and finally with the task class. Finally, we edit the text to incorporate these elements within parentheses. So we add parentheses around the role link, followed by the contact link, and lastly around the task link. But here's where it gets really cool. Let's say we decide to rename the task class to work task. Watch as I rename it in the diagram. Now, if we go back to our documentation for the employee class, you'll notice that the change is automatically reflected. The link now reads work task instead of task. This ensures our documentation is always up to date with our diagram. How amazing is that? And that's it. You've just learned how to add dynamic links to elements in Software Ideas Modeler. This will make your documentation much more interactive and maintainable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy modeling! Got questions or want to share your experiences with Software Ideas Modeler? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.